Hey everyone, how's it going? Time for another fun Godzilla video, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to draw a Godzilla Evolved Fortnite skin. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Fortnite Godzilla skin, let's begin with the eye. So I'm going to start right up here, and I'm just going to begin by making a little sad face, and then a little happy face for the eye. Next, I'm going to start here, and I'm going to make a line that's just going to come up right above the eye like this in a curve. Then we'll curve a line right here. Next, I'm going to curve this line here. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to go out, and it's going to come back up like this. For the nose, we're just going to curve this line here. Make a little bump that's going to come in, and a little line that's going to kind of hook around here. I'm just going to color part of this in here. We'll do a little curve right around there. Next, I'm going to bring this line down, curve right across here. I'm going to bring this line up, down, and then up here. Next, we're going to bring this line down right here. And then let's add some little curved lines right across there for part of the eye. Next, we're going to make some lines that are just going to kind of come up and then down here at the curve. And then right here I'm going to make a little line that's just going to come up and then down. Then I'm going to put some small little spikes right across here. And some little lines here. Next, we're going to bring this line down and around. And then right up here, we're going to add some sharp teeth in here. Then we're going to curve this line down. I'm going to make some sharp pointy teeth here. Line that curves and come back here. Then I'm going to curve this line up. Let's curve a little broken line around. I'm going to make a line that's going to come down and up here. And then I'm going to make some little kind of spikes over here. I'm going to curve this line up. And then I'm going to bring this line out and then down. Now, starting here for the neck, let's bring a line down. Then I'm going to bring some little V shapes down here as well. For the chest, we're just going to draw a line that's going to come down and then up here. And then I'm going to bring this line down. Let's curve this line to here. And let's bring this line down here for the arm. Let's curve this line. Then let's make a line that comes down to a point for a claw, and we'll kind of curve it back. Make another line down. Little curve here. And then another line that's just going to come right to here. Next, I'm going to bring this up for the elbow. Next, we're going to curl this down for the shoulder. Bring this line down. And we're going to bring this line out for the claw, and we're going to curve it back. And we're going to bring this to here and kind of curve it down. Let's make a line here. And then we're going to add 1 and 2 other claws and bring it to there. Make a line here, and then we're going to curve this up. Next, we're going to bring this line in. And then we're just going to bring this line down to here. Now for the legs, I'm going to bring this line down and then straight down to here. Then for the feet, I'm going to put a claw here, a claw right here, and then we're going to make a claw right here. I'm going to bring this line up, and then we're going to curve this around here. Over here, I'm going to make this line come out and then down. We'll put 1 claw here and 1 claw right here. Next, I'm going to bring this line up and over to here. Then we're just going to kind of curve this line to connect. Then for the tail, I'm just going to bring this line down. We're going to curve it up and then bring it right back towards the body. Now let's come in here and add some of his dorsal plates. So I'm going to begin right here, and I'm going to make some kind of jagged, curved plates right there, kind of look like spikes. Then when I get to here, I'm going to start making these become really jagged. I'm going to add some extra little points onto them. And we're just going to bring these all the way down. When I get towards the tail part, I'm going to start making these get a little smaller. And then I'm going to add a couple little spikes like this at the end of the tail. Next, I'm going to add some smaller spikes in the back for these other dorsal plates that he has. And we'll stop right about there. Now, this is our basic shape of our Fortnite Godzilla. We just want to come in and add some of the different details. So I'm going to kind of curve some little lines right around the arms here. And then a couple lines right around the legs. We're going to put small little claws on each of the fingers. And a little bit bigger claws on the toes. Some little extra lines on here for details like wrinkles. And do that same thing to the toes. Just quick little lines, a little texture and detail. We're going to make some curved lines right here. And these nice long broken lines right across here. Just for some detail. This is quick detail so you don't have to go ahead and draw every single little scale on him. We're going to make these same type of lines right across the arms here. And we'll do this, just kind of adds a little bit of 3D look to it. Some broken lines down the chest. And some more kind of curved lines here. And we're going to do some little curved lines here. And some that go right down the tail. A little curved line here too. Then we can add some extra little lines onto these spikes here. Wherever you see like a little line that can curve down, always add a little extra line on there for some detail. Then even a couple little extra lines coming up. Then some broken lines right around the face. And a couple little curved lines down here. And some more kind of little spikes right across there. I always like to add a few little extra lines on the face. And there you go, there's your drawing of a Fortnite Godzilla. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.